Good morning, students. I welcome you all in online maths classes. Students, in previous video, we have studied addition of two-digit numbers. And in this video, we will study subtraction of two-digit numbers. So let's start. In this chapter, we will learn subtraction by short method and subtraction of two-digit numbers with borrowing. Let's learn to subtract two-digit number without regrouping or short method. Here, let's subtract 68 minus 16. Children, first we have to write the numbers 68 and 16 in the place value chart, that is in the ones and tens column, as I have shown here. Now, first subtract the number 6 from number 8 in the ones column. We get the number 2. Write the answer in the ones column. Now, subtract the number 1 from 6 in the tens column. We get the answer 5, which we write in the tens column. Thus, we get the number 52. Now, let's solve another example. Here, we have to subtract 3 from 24. Children, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 here, and 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Thus, the difference of 24 and 3 is equal to 21. Now, let's take one more example. Here, we have to subtract 34 from 76 to find the answer. Children, we always subtract the ones first and then the tens. Here, 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, as you can see where I am moving cursor. Okay, and then we will subtract tens column. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. Thus, the difference of 76 minus 34 is 42. Now, subtraction with borrowing. Here, we have to subtract 61 minus 12. So, to subtract these numbers, first, we will write the numbers according to their place values, as I have shown here. Now, step 2. Subtract the ones. Children, as 1, you can see, as 1 is less than 2, we cannot subtract 2 from 1. So, we regroup the 6 tens. Here, we regroup the 6 tens to 5 tens and 10 ones. Write 5 in the tens column and 10 plus 1 to get 11 ones. Write 11 ones in the ones column. Now, subtract 11 minus 2 to get 9 ones. write 9 in the ones column. Now, step 3, subtract the tens. This is the tens column. Here, we subtract 5 minus 1 to get number 4. Now, write 4 in the tens column. So, we got the answer as 49. It means 61 minus 12 is equal to 49. Now, let's take one more example. Here, we have to subtract 19 from 54 to get the answer. Children, first we write the numbers as per their place values. As we cannot subtract number 9 from 4, again we regroup the 5 tens. So, we get 5 tens is equal to 4 tens plus 10 ones. Write 4 in the tens column and add 10 plus 4 to get 14 ones. Now, we write 14 in the ones column. Subtract 14 minus 9 to get 5 ones and write 5 in the ones column. Now, subtract 4 minus 1 to get 3 tens. So, we get the answer is equal to 35. 54 minus 19 is equal to 35. Children, here I have given some exercises which you have to solve in your rough copy. This one is based on subtraction by short method and the second one is based on subtraction by borrowing. Hope you have understood this chapter. So, that's all for today. Thank you.